What up, my Facebook, my social media family? This is your favorite realtor, Josh Brown. And today, I'm bringing you guys another property tour. This one's actually going to be an investment property that I'm looking at for one of my investors. The ARV on this, which is the after repair value, is somewhere in the the low 700s. So we're getting this at a good deal if we do close on this property. But as you guys can see, it's a full brick house. Looks amazing. Has really good curb appeal. Not too much. Hopefully doesn't need to be done. But today I just want, as I tell you guys, I'm going to always show you something different, because there's many aspects to real estate. And the traditional way is the way that most people buy homes and sell homes, but you can also make a lot of money when you are fixing and flipping and adding value to a home. So this would be a home that would need to be added to. I'll show you guys here in a second. So come inside and let's take a tour. So when we're looking at investment properties, we're looking at the foundations, looking at the windows, looking at the downspouts to the fascias, making sure the gutters are okay. And this is just a few things. I mean, as you guys can see, when there's cracks in cement, it's usually water runoff isn't controlled. So, sometimes you may have to change the gutters, because that's what the gutter's supposed to look like. But everything from the outside looks good. And this is the good thing about real estate, man. There's so many different aspects of it to where you can pretty much do anything, and this is the fun part to me. This is why I love real estate, because I get to do something different every day. So the outside looks good. The roof looks pretty okay. Has central air conditioner. So that's good. Now, guys, we will go inside. So walking inside, got your nice hardwood floors. As you can see, this was pretty well maintained from my first initial look. Updated windows. Gotta love these hardwood floors, man. Okay, let's go through here. Storage closet. So this is, as you guys can see, this is what fix and flips are. In my opinion, this would be a nice cosmetic flip. Of course, you're gonna have to update some things because it is a little outdated. But this is what you get. This is how you build equity in homes. Get it at a really good price. And then you start adding value to it. So, bathroom, all updated windows. And then this is the kitchen. You guys know this is old school right here. Got the dine-in, eat-in area. You got your full kitchen. Got all your stainless steel appliances. And we'll go to the basement next. And this just leads back into the living room. So, in the comments, man, let me know what you guys would do to this kitchen. Would you open it up? What would you guys do to this? How would you make it your own? And then we check out, we got a nice little deck out here, the backyard. Cool, upgraded electrical box. And some of the things to look for in Denver when you're going to buy a new home, a lot of these homes have the electrical panels, which are Federal Pacific electric panels, which are not, they're actually outlawed now because of their fire hazards. And they were outlawed, a good bit ago. I can't remember the exact year, but that's the one thing you always look for, because a lot of these homes still have those in there, even though they've been outlawed, but you would never know. So we do have some hairline cracks right here, but this drainage is going like really right along see, you got some cracks right there. And these are things to pay attention to when you are looking at investment properties, because a foundation issue can turn into a whirlwind of problems. You have to stabilize it, and once you have to stabilize it, now we're getting into that 30-40K price range. So definitely make sure if you are looking at investment properties, you're going with somebody that understands what it takes to rehab a property, but also understand when you're looking at certain things, what's the reason behind it. And most of the times, the reason behind it is gutters. Gutters are one of the most important things to have in a home, because it controls the runoff. So if the house had bad gutters, 9 times out of 10, they're probably gonna have some settlement issues just because of that. So close this, and I'll take you guys downstairs. Definitely gonna need a paint job. I can't remember if I walked past this and this light was off, but I'm not sure. You know, these houses can get a little scary sometimes. So this is the little basement. Looks like you can probably put a kitchen in there. And this is just a little basement area. See, this is, you know, oh, and it goes way back here. So this is nice. Has a lot of room. It's a little storage area. See, I would not come see this house at night, y'all. No siree. So take you back here. The lights. Sorry about that. Sorry about the no lights, guys. But so this goes all the way around. Look at that. That is awesome. Oh, and it has a separate bathroom down here. So I want to say it's a, how many rooms are upstairs? So you got a full one. This is like a master bedroom down here. Okay, and this just connects to this bathroom. Yep. So that's the toilet. And obviously we will update all these bathrooms. And then you got your laundry room down here. See some hairline cracks in that wall. So there's hairline cracks right here. So this kind of makes me think that they do probably have some settling issues here, right along this wall. So I'll probably go back up there and check the gutters to see if that's what it is, because you would just have to control the gutters to stop the stable thing. Because adding stabilization, man, it's not easy. It's not an easy project. So go back here. And then that was the backyard. So obviously, you know, we have to do some drywall work pretty much everywhere. I probably have some new carpet or take this carpet out. So yeah, so I mean, that's pretty much the property. This looks like it's a 4 bed, 2 bath, hardwood floors throughout the house. So yeah, so guys, that's, you know, ladies and gentlemen, my social media family, that's my property tour for today. Another nice little investment property. You know, if you're ever looking for investment properties, I am your guy. If you're looking for traditional properties, I am your guy. You know, when it comes to a professional that's in this industry every day, I am your guy. So you guys ever have any questions, definitely don't hesitate to ask. Leave me a DM. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification button so you guys can know whenever I'm coming out with something new. And if you ever, you know, looking for anything, don't hesitate to DM me. All my information is always below. You can hop on my calendar and, you know, get a little quick consultation with me so I can kind of see what your situation is and see how we can put a strategy together to get you to accomplish your goals. Because at the end of the day, as a realtor, as a broker, I'm here to help people accomplish their goals so that way they can start to build that financial freedom and that financial wealth. Because that's what we all, you know, that's what we all want is freedom. Freedom and wealth, baby. Freedom and wealth. So this is your favorite realtor, Josh Brown, over and out.